Hello guys, this is Kevin Yam. Nice to see you again in my third video. And today I'm going to explain to you a concept called financial engineering. You might heard of that terms after financial crisis that some people are declared to be financial engineers. So why does finance combine with engineering? Finance in essence studies money. It studies how money comes about, where money goes, and where should the money go. On the other hand, engineering relates to modeling. It means using math or statistics to model a process or behavior. So financial engineering is really using mathematical models to study financial behavior or financial product. So why is financial engineering ever helpful? It relates to a simple term called risk and return trade-off. Risk means uncertainty. Return means the money you get in the future. So the assumption is there cannot be any return without taking any risk. In other words, there cannot be any cash left on the table, because if that happens, then everyone will pick it up right away. So in financial engineering, people assume that there is no free cash, or in financial terms, there is no arbitrage. So understand that. You might be wondering, people have different kind of risk appetite. Some people don't like the risk. Some people like the risk because they want to get high returns. They are willing to take more risk. So financial engineers actually help them to transfer risk from those people who don't like the risk to those who love the risk. To give you an example, if you're running a company that provides moving service, your cost might be linked to the price of the gas, because when the gas price goes up, you are doomed to spend more money on transportation. So that's part of the risk you're taking. If you don't like the risk, you can transfer the risk away by entering a financial contract. The contract can give you money when the price goes up. So in that case, you don't spend more money because you spend more on the gas, but the contract gives you money back. So where does the money coming from, the contract? It must be coming from a counterparty who is willing to pay you money when the gas price goes up. For example, a bank. If you enter such a contract with a bank, then the bank actually takes the risk from you. So in terms of the bank, it can choose to hold that risk, or it can choose to transfer that risk away to another people. If there is another one, people who think the gas price won't go up. So he might buy the contract, because the contract will actually give him money up front, and he don't have to pay them back if the gas price don't go up. So that's where financial engineers also can come in, because it can help the bank to alleviate, to take the risk away from its book. And there are different ways to take it out. So what I described is just one way to enter exactly the same contract with another counterparty, so that on average it cancels out. Or it can enter a similar contract. For example, if there's a contract on oil, because the price of the oil tend to move together with the price of the gas, then if the gas price goes up, the oil price also goes up, and the bank gets money from the contract on oil, it can also use that money to pay off the contract on gas. So that's another way of hedging, means way of taking risk away. So that's also financial engineering study. So that in that example, the asset was in gas. In the real world, people study different kinds of assets: stocks, bonds, foreign exchange, commodities, which include gas. So those are all areas where financial engineers comes about. And in the financial crisis, many people blame financial engineers for causing the problem. So given the knowledge before, what might be the ways that financial engineers can be wrong? Because it enables people to transfer risk away from one place to another, there might be a case where an individual or an organization takes a huge amount of risk that it can never pays off. For example, if I really want a return on my investment or on my position, I might take too much risk that I cannot bear. In normal times, I get a good return, but in bad times, I don't have enough money left in my pocket to pay off all the things that happens. So that's a problem that if there's no control on that, the loss can be transferred from that person to the other part of the market. So in this video, I explained to you what financial engineering is about, what they do, and what are the problems probably happening in the system in simple terms. Hope you like it, and see you in the next video.